Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a newsletter using Beehiiv. So basically, if you go to Beehiiv and create your free account, you're gonna get redirected here. So here you can simply create a newsletter design by clicking on this pen icon, and then you can simply click on blank draft. And basically now what you can do, you can simply design your content. So let's go back and click on use template, then click on new template, and here you can name it, and here you can add all the contents and all the designs, as you can see, sections, images, etc. And then you can click on save. And basically now if you go and use this template that is created, you can send email newsletter to your audience. So you're gonna have to use this template and then simply start typing your email content, and after that you're gonna have to simply select your email list, and as you can see here you're gonna have to click on next, and you can simply uh, enter all your subscribers. So you're gonna have to go to audience, subscribers, and here you can import them, and basically that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.